What is up, my YouTube friends? So, just a little garden recap. Uh, what I've learned my first season gardening. That anybody can garden. Yeah, anybody can garden. Yeah, anybody can do it. If I did it, you can do it. If I can grow things, you can grow things. Um, do a little research. It's not that hard. Uh, Takeaways from this year, I was very happy with how my flowers did. Um, they did really well. Uh, yeah, I didn't expect some of them to work out, especially my dwarf sunflowers. I never thought that they would bloom. They took so long to just. It just felt like, when they were little tiny sprouts, it just felt like they were never going to get the strength to stand up, but they did. Same thing for my pickles and things like that. They were laying down for a bit, and they all stood up. Uh, Potatoes. I didn't do too good with them. At least they grew. I know I won't be planting them again. Uh, I won't waste my time on certain things. Uh, I may try squash again just to see if, maybe I'll change my soil. Do some research over the winter and maybe come up with a better soil for them. Uh, so last year, this past season, I grew squash, radishes, beets, potatoes, pickles. Um, I think that is it for food, my food garden. Very happy with pickles. Radishes, they were okay. I won't waste my time with radishes either. I'm not a big radish fan. Beets, uh, probably won't waste my time with them either. I like beets. I just won't devote time to growing them. Something I'm really looking forward to. Well, back up a little bit. Pickles. I did really well with pickles, so I'm going to stick with pickles. And one thing that I've noticed, I had a jar of pickles in my freezer, in my refrigerator, not my freezer, from the store. And I had a couple of them the night before, and I realized how nasty they are. Something that I did like, right? Pickles from the store. But once you make your own, nah, game over. I threw them out. They were so horrible. I couldn't eat them. Uh, my pickles, they weren't the greatest. I'll have to tweak my recipe, but they were way better than store bought pickles. I can tell you that much. And I will continue to do pickles. I may do more pickles. All the tubs that you saw out front, those 4 tubs, maybe I'll do pickles in all of them. I don't know. We'll see. Cannas. I was very happy with my cannas. I'm going to move forward and try an experiment with them. I'm going to try to grow them from a seed. It's a little more work, but I think I can do it. I think I can. I think I can. So that's my recap. Yeah, overall, it was a very good garden year for me. I learned a lot. I hope to bring on what I learned and learn some more things for this coming 2025 garden season. I'm really looking forward to the cannas, though. That has got me like really psyched. The cannas. I'm going to grow a lot of cannas. At least I'm going to try. And that's my recap. Thanks for watching my garden videos throughout the summer, and look forward to some projects I'm going to do. I I want to build a little tiny greenhouse, so that's going to be my next project for the garden, and who knows what else. Stay tuned. Be well. Be blessed. I hope, yeah, you can grow it too. All right, try it. You'll be amazed.